Kabza. But they got a cardigan.
Yeah, no brain.
They got Kundile, they got Mushe. They got Puzi.
Yeah.
My comments.
We stress for me.
Yeah. Vela umhlabanga ntwana, nothing.
But man, ngiphuze ukusele awanyana. Because like noma ngidlula like ngidlule ekhaya. Shaye.
I want to.
When you want to decide what you pose,
But self growth, man. Like, I think it's so powerful because it's his journey. He knows how he wants to. He's speaking. He's saying something.
Yeah.
What
For us to learn. And you don't need to change.
Hey,
The good man that I see,
What
they
is
see.
said? Buddha. What is said?
What is
What is said?
So the next day.
What is said?
Oh, so
I did the day before. Man.
I will consider for Danyana lapho. Angikho sho ngalesam. So no ngangena kuma live mix wa.
yeah.
So each and every song engishaya then he shares it.
Yeah.
And then he told us every time.
Yeah.
Long shy fold, long shy fold.
Obenzela one on one.
Yeah.
So manje ngiyahlanganisa ngiyashuthi mangathi this mangathi vocal. Nami nginalo vocal.
Yeah.
Because my wona stuff ashaya. Nales esenza ngayi si different nya.
Yeah.
And my like ngathi asihlanganisa like as make it
Yeah, somehow.
Yeah.
kuba ngathi ku so
But then the
That's a
golden
DJ.
question was,
Yeah.
Ati, are you going to start? I can't.
Yeah.
Because I wanted him to relate. Because I didn't want to, you know, we have
Oh,
to
yeah.
pressure and then you must follow up. I like, no, can't.
Yeah.
You know, so then it was like levels like that.
I know maybe it's too many I'm shaking.
So relax.
Iyabaleka. And ngapha ngazibhela na ilokanja bebathatha amasapu awabeke phambili. And west part bengifaka i-DJ monitor. So bengifaka ama-lanare. So iboot beyiyale.
Yeah.
So beyine delay.
Yeah.
So
Then the latency.
more kill base. Like ngathi yalahlanya. No.
So whatever you hear is not right.
Yeah.
It's delayed, so you have to be ahead. And like a high.
How long was it said?
2 hours.
Hey, Jana. So we went on
Ah, it was so nice.
2 hours.
That's so
So
nice.
that's so nice.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
But man, it wasn't. There was no point proven. There was even to the crowd. Forget us.
Yeah.
Like we were not trying to.
Bengana
I was in five. I don't shy.
But say le izoyibamba le. One day.
Yeah, you want to let me tell you something. Let's see, Bulan.
Yeah.
It's pushing the move. I ain't a pair out time. It takes people like you, bro. I promise you.
Inkinga no so when it comes to the game music, you know, everyone knows too much.
Yeah.
And then when I find not talent is big. So no internally once you're gonna hit or go make it like say
No, it's true.
I think he was playing after Women in Sleaze. I went to keep my headphone. There I need one. It was like, oh, okay, one.
Yeah.
Sure. Then we sell my headphone.
Nice
See,
one.
cool.
Then my can't say, you know, late we sell my headphone. Night from shy one, you know. But I took shower one, but keep my headphone. They don't even say hi to them.
Hi, thanks, bye.
Oh, bye. Oh, tell me, ubani lapha? It's smelling sleazy. Actually, yo, the disrespect.
Ah, of course, like, especially.
But it's education.
It
needs
is.
to be educated.
It is, but
Yeah. We need to educate them.
100%.
But there's
Just
no
like-
one because people don't understand. Mandala need 3 mandala kanji. For you, all you want is for people to have a good
It's
time.
for them.
It's to say
We're not
they're going to say
competing.
Tuana Kala because you know
Yeah.
it's setting the pace.
song was sweet,
Yeah,
the
Zuchi,
vibe was
whatever.
sweet,
Yeah, but it's
yeah.
not a matter of competition.
No, but-
It's for the people out there.
But
to
when I
enjoy.
tweeted this thing once, we as artists allow our fans to create the beat.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
I want
So Mamidala and I, most tweets were about, I'm sure my police super dealer.
We are
I'm
born.
sure.
We are born.
I'm
to.
sure.
Even now,
And he was there
Uba no point.
to support. He was
Yeah.
there. So I'm
yes,
sure.
yabona lento le Red Bull.
Yeah.
So Porican akakwazi ukuposta i-riding yami Red Bull because yena unedeal ne-Monster.
Man, it's up there. I'm a post.
So manje ilento leyo bathi akaposti
But that's why, Jess, we are here today because
Yeah.
they must see this
Yeah, that's true.
unity. You understand?
Yeah, yeah.
No matter again, I won't know, man. I want to know they have a level of understanding that we
Yeah.
don't have.
It's education.
Yeah, no, it's education.
You can't be at this level
Yeah.
and you can't teach anything.
No.
You can't follow.
Yeah.
You know, you're a trendsetter, you lead.
Yeah.
You know, this boy shouldn't even know your private life.
Yeah.
Because this boy
Yeah.
didn't do your shit, man. So asimuzwa kahle man.
Yeah.
Ababuza ibheki lakho linjani.
We are pushing you to continue.
Yeah, man. You know, so I think Lendena as an artist is like crazy. And if you can,
Hey, I missed that.
yeah, if
No,
you
that's
can,
fine.
because
Like mina for me ngathi amaduze wami bewangimamela.
Yeah.
Because like every time lokuqala first time ngithola imali
Yeah.
Footman,
That's
oh,
very
yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
and then after you came in
so
and then after that
Oh, okay.
that's where athatha le video le
Eh.
ngibuya deep in the seat
Yeah.
yeah I bengivana no Tito so enkulu so mesifika la asharp waye vele no vini khona ukuthi manje nafika suppose so la fanele ngiye kuphi fanele ngiye ePolokwane so manje mesuka ngilanda u2 phela le video le ithatha u2 so manje mina vele ngiphuzile uthi kimi uthi emfana bekunjani uthula ukuzisho ukuthi bekunjani ngabheka ngitaba simamele ingoma esona so kanti uthula yangishuka bese kube nezinja ze-internet
Yeah.
athathe le video ayifune le ngoma ayifune le
Ah,
video ngokuthi mana ayihlanganise